also a very speedy recovery. He's currently in hospital at the moment, so we wish him all the best and a speedy recovery.
No, it's like any other horse. It takes a lot of time and a lot of patience.
And
The temperament is the most important thing.
And would you be thinking of doing a school like that for some people that have come from different places like France, America and places like that?
The thought crossed my mind, right, yeah.
And what would they have to do in order to learn it?
Well,
what would they have to have as a base knowledge?
They would have to have a basic handling knowledge anyway for a start.
Of horses?
Yeah. And after that, it's practice.
Practice.
And lots of it.
So you'd be ploughing half Ireland then to teach them?
Well, you don't be ploughing all the time. Like if you're doing a bit of harrowing, doing a bit of tail-on, doing a bit of tilling, doing a bit of mowing, it's all basic handling. So it's the same thing.
So if I was to take anything from this, I'd say the key is handling really. Handling.
Practice.
And with different kind of implements being pulled at the back of them. And then you have to probably find the right type of horse too then.
Yeah, the temperament is the most important thing.
And you'd know where to find them.
Oh yeah, they're to be got. But they're pretty costly.
Yeah, they would be. So if anyone wanted to get in touch with you and you to show them how it's done, where would they find you?
They'll find me in Mike Cullen.
Mike Cullen. Yeah. And you can also contact Cooper's Hill Livery or Cooper's Hill Equine, and we'll pass you on to the man. All right. Yeah. And your name is?
Brendan Lydon.
Brendan Lydon. Remember that, folks. Thanks, Brendan.
No bother.
And the those who have entered class 1112 were registered Connemara Pony and Mare with or without forward first, and owned by